Let's learn and speak. Hello and welcome back. Do you know one French question that we will use every day? Bonjour à tous. This is the beginner French A1 lesson, and today we'll learn one of the most useful questions in French: how to ask someone, how are you? And how to answer or reply with confidence in French. By the end of this video, you will know every common way to ask and answer this question simply and confidently, even at A1 level. So let's get started. There are three ways to ask this question in French: formal, informal, and super casual versions. The formal and polite way of asking how are you in French is comment allez-vous. Please try to repeat after me. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? We can use this question in professional situations or with elders. Now, let us see the reply options for this question. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci, which means I am doing well, thank you. I am doing well, thank you. Or we can also reply as très bien, merci. Très bien, merci, which means very good, thank you. Very good, thank you. Now let us see the informal and most common way of asking how are you in French is comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? This is the most common everyday version and it can be used with friends and family members or closed ones. Now let us see the reply options for this question comment ça va? The first option is ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci, which means I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Or we can also simply reply as pas mal, which means not bad. Pas mal. And here is another reply, simply ça va, which means I'm okay. The simple reply for the question comment ça va is ça va, I'm okay. Now here is the super casual version of asking the question how are you in French is ça va? Ça va? This is what French people say when they are relaxed. It's like you good in English. Now let us see the reply options for this question ça va in French. Ça va, which means I'm fine or I'm okay. Ça va. Another reply comme ci comme ça, which means so or in the middle. Bof, which means not great. Bof. And that's it. Now you can ask how are you in French and reply with confidence. If this video helped you, give the video a like so more learners can find it. And if you want French to feel more simple and informative, subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments comment ça va aujourd'hui. Merci et à bientôt. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.